Welcome to Pairaphrase. Pairaphrase is a web-based translation management system for enterprises, and one of its convenient features is the ability to use your Microsoft Single Sign-On login to access your Pairaphrase account. Single sign-on comes with various benefits. First off, it gives your organization greater control of its security and is one of the many ways Pairaphrase helps you achieve compliance with your organization's security policies. It also provides a quick and easy way for users to log in securely with just the click of a button. No password or username entry are required. Now, we'll tell you how to 1. Add team members to your multi-user plan for admins. 2. Log into Pairaphrase using Microsoft Single Sign-On for all users. And 3. Troubleshoot login difficulties. In order to add members of your team to your multi-user plan, you need to do the following. First, log in. Then, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner. Go to Manage Users on the left, and add a new user by inviting their email address. Next, click the Send Invites button. The new user will then receive an email that tells them that you've invited them to join your team's Pairaphrase plan. That's when they click through to verify it's them and to be added to the team. Now we'll show you how to log in as a user with your Microsoft Single Sign-On. If the admin on your account has already invited your Microsoft Single Sign-On email address to Pairaphrase, you will then have received an email that says, "So-and-so has invited you to join their Pairaphrase account." You'll need to click the button in that email to join the team. Next, you will be taken through an initial authentication process with Microsoft. Once that step is finished, you can use your Single Sign-On verified email address to log into Pairaphrase in the future by clicking Log in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and then you'll be taken right to the Pairaphrase user interface. From now on, you simply will just close your browser tab to end your session instead of clicking Log out. And when you want to log in again, you just go to pairaphrase.com and click Login. It's important to keep the following in mind to prevent login problems. Your Microsoft Single Sign-On login and Pairaphrase login must be the same. You must use your Microsoft Single Sign-On email address to access your Pairaphrase account when verifying your identity. If you remain idle for more than 30 minutes, Pairaphrase will log you out, and you'll need to enter your credentials again. To end your session, close your browser instead of logging out, especially if you'll be idle for more than 30 minutes. If you don't close your browser and you're idle for more than 30 minutes, you'll automatically be logged out and will need to log in using your credentials again via the Microsoft Single Sign-On link. You also can't send a multi-user plan invite to anyone who doesn't have a Pairaphrase account already. And lastly, Microsoft Single Sign-On is only available within Pairaphrase if you have a Pairaphrase Hong Kong plan or higher. If you have any questions about Microsoft Single Sign-On, please email us at info@pairaphrase.com.